Welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain here halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of alkane. The parent family of organic compound is hydrocarbon, means HC, hydrocarbon. The parent family of organic compound is hydrocarbon. For example, methane, ethane. For example, methane, C2H6, ethane, propane, C3H8. These are the hydrocarbon. Then replacement of hydrogen atoms in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom result in formation of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon. Means replacement of hydrogen atoms in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon. For example, aliphatic hydrocarbon CH3, this is the aliphatic hydrocarbon, and aromatic hydrocarbon, this is the benzene ring. Replacement of hydrogen atoms in aliphatic or in aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom result in formation of halogen derivatives of alkane. Means hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon replaced by halogen atom, means X means any halogen atom. For example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogen atoms. Means replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms from hydrocarbon by halogen atom. This is called as halogen derivatives of alkanes. Or this is the aromatic ring. One or more hydrogen atoms of this aromatic ring is replaced by halogen atoms, fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. This is called as halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon. Means halogen derivatives of alkane or halogen derivatives of arenes. Then classification of halogen derivatives on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. For example, haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, haloarenes. Means haloalkanes means carbon-carbon double bond. Then haloalkenes means haloalkane means carbon-carbon single bond. Haloalkene means carbon-carbon double bond. Haloalkynes means carbon-carbon triple bond. Or haloarenes means aromatic ring and halogen atom. Means this is the haloalkane, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, haloarenes. Then on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. For example, haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. Then second point, on the basis of number of halogen atoms, halogen derivatives classified as. Means how many halogen atoms are present in hydrocarbon. For example, mono means one halogen atom present, di means two, tri means three, or poly means many halogen atom present in hydrocarbon. For example, monohalogen derivatives, then dihalogen compounds, then trihalogen compound. For example, first monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compound means only one halogen atom present in hydrocarbon, in alkane or in aromatic ring. This is the monohalogen compounds. Then dihalogen compounds means two halogen atoms present. These are the dihalogen compounds. X means any halogen atom, fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. This is the halogen atoms. Then trihalogen compound means three halogen atoms present. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means three halogen atoms present. This is the trihalogen compounds. Means second, on the basis of number of halogen atoms, halogen derivatives classified as monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen, trihalogen or poly means many halogen compounds. Then classification of monohalogen compounds. Classification of monohalogen compound. Position of Halogen atom means classification of monohalogen compounds depends on position of halogen atoms and type of hybridization. Hybridization means sp, sp2, sp3 hybridization. Position of halogen atom means where halogen attached to the aliphatic or aromatic ring, or types of hybridization of carbon to which halogen attached. In that first, A, alkyl halides. Alkyl halides or haloalkanes, RCH2X, RCHRX, then this is the RCRR and X. And this is the primary halide, means monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Monohalogen derivatives means only one halogen atom is present. Only one halogen atom present. Monohalogen derivatives of alkane are classified as alkyl halides, means RCH2X, primary halide. Why this is called as primary halides? This is the secondary halides. This is the secondary halide. This is the tertiary halide. Why this is called as primary halide, secondary halide, tertiary halide? Because this halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom. This halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom. Why this is called as primary carbon atom? Primary carbon atom means the carbon atom which attached to other only one carbon atom. Primary carbon atom means the carbon atom which attach other only one carbon atom. This is called as primary carbon atom, means the halogen atom which attached to primary carbon atom. This is called as primary halide. And RCHRX, this is called as secondary halide. Why this is called as secondary halide? Because the halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. This is the secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atoms means the secondary carbon atom means the carbon atom which attached to other two, is 1 and 2, other two carbon atoms. This is called as secondary carbon atom, and this halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. This is called as secondary halides. Then tertiary halides. Tertiary halide means halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom means the carbon atom which attached to other 3 carbon atoms. This is called as tertiary halides. Then allylic halides. Second, allylic halide, CH2 double bond CH2X, and this is the cyclic ring, means cyclic alkene, cyclohexane. Allylic halides means, what is the meaning of allylic halide? The halogen atom which attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This sp3 hybridized carbon is attached to carbon-carbon double bond, means sp hybridized carbon atom. This is called as allylic halides. Same. Then next, benzylic halides. Benzylic halides means this halogen atom is attached to benzyl group. This is called as a benzyl group. This is also called as benzyl group. Means benzylic halide means the halogen atom is attached to benzyl group. This is called as benzylic halide. Phenylic halide means carbon-carbon double bond, means sp hybridized carbon atom, means halogen atom is attached to sp hybridized carbon atom, means carbon-carbon double bond. Then haloalkynes. Alkynes means carbon-carbon triple bond, means sp hybridization. This carbon have sp hybridization. This is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Haloalkynes means carbon-carbon triple bond. Halo means halogen atom, means halogen atom is attached to sp hybridized carbon atom, means alkyne group. Then F, aryl halides or haloarenes. Aryl halides or haloarenes. Aryl halide means this is the aromatic ring. This is also aromatic ring. For example, benzene. Halogen atom is attached to benzene ring. For example, benzene means, for example, this is the benzene, bromobenzene or chlorobenzene. X is replaced by, for example, chlorine or iodine. Chlorine orthochlorotoluene means this is the toluene CH3 and orthochloro, then chlorine Br, orthobromine. Then next, methods of preparation of alkyl halide. Methods of preparation of alkyl halides means how to prepare alkyl halide RCl. For example, methyl chloride, CH3Cl, methyl chloride, CH3, CH2I, ethyl iodide. How to prepare these alkyl halides from alcohols? The general formula of alcohol ROH. General formula of alcohol is ROH. By using halogen acid or hydrogen halide. Halogen acid means HX. HX means X is replaced by chlorine, iodine. For example, HCl, HI, HBr. Means by using halogen acid, these are the halogen acids. By using halogen acids or hydrogen halides, HX. The order of reactivity of alcohols with halogen acid is tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary. Means a tertiary alcohol reacts fast than secondary then primary. Then next example, ROH means this is the general formula of alcohol. For example, methyl alcohol. This is the methyl alcohol ROH plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, in anhydrous ZnCl2 gives RCl. Means this is the substitution reaction. OH is replaced by Cl. OH is replaced by Cl means RCl, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide byproduct water H2O means ROH, alcohol, any alcohol, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, any alcohol reacts with hydrochloric acid or halogen acid in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 means zinc chloride. Formation of RCl means alkyl halide. This is the preparation of alkyl halide. For primary and secondary means anhydrous ZnCl2 is used for primary and secondary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols reacts in absence of ZnCl2 means tertiary alcohol reacts in absence of ZnCl2. Then next, RCH2OH plus HBr and sodium bromide in presence of sulfuric acid gives heat. Means alcohol reacts with hydrogen bromide, formation of alkyl halide. Means for example, CH3 CH2OH, CH3CH2OH plus HBr, CH3CH2OH plus HBr gives CH3CH2Br means alkyl halide. This is the alcohol, formation of alkyl halide. Then ROH reacts with HI, hydroiodic acid, in presence of sodium iodide, H3PO4, formation of alkyl halide. Byproduct is water. Then by using phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride means phosphorus triiodide, tribromide means X is any halogen atom PCl5. 3 molecules of alcohol reacts with PX3 means phosphorus trihalide, formation of alkyl halide means 3 molecules of alkyl halide. Then same reaction, 1 molecule of alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, formation of main product is RCl means alkyl halide. Then by using thionyl chloride, the formula of thionyl chloride is SOCl2. Thionyl chloride. By using thionyl chloride means this chlorine atom replaces This is the substitution reaction in presence of means gives heat. RCl means alkyl halide form. Alkyl halide is form. Sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride gas are UOL means this is the sign of gas from hydrocarbons. Then next, formation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbons. First from alcohol, then second B from hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means which hydrocarbons? For example, alkanes, aromatic rings. For example, benzene. These are the hydrocarbons. First, by Markovnikov rule and peroxide effect means if we use alkene, addition of hydrogen halide to alkene, this is the alkene. Why this is called as alkene? Because carbon-carbon double bond is present. If carbon-carbon double bond is present, this is called as alkene. Markovnikov rule. What is the Markovnikov rule? The negative part of the reagent means in HBr, this is the positive part and this is the negative part. Br is negative part. The negative part of the reagent is attached to that carbon atom, means that carbon atom which have less number of hydrogen atoms, means here is no hydrogen atom. It is one hydrogen atom, two hydrogen, two hydrogens. Means Markovnikov rule, the negative part of the reagent is attached to that carbon atom which have less number of hydrogen atoms, means this is the alkyl halide. This is the product of Markovnikov rule. And peroxide effect means by using peroxide H2O2, this is the anti-Markovnikov rule, means opposite of Markovnikov rule. Then C, halogen exchange. Halogen exchange means one halogen atom exchanged by another halogen atoms. RCl, for example, CH3Cl, methyl chloride in presence of NaI, means sodium iodide. Chlorine is replaced by iodine. This is the Ri means alkyl halide. For example, methyl iodide product is formed. Then second, RCl. This is also halogen exchange, means exchange of halogen atom, means both are the halogen atoms but exchange, halogen exchange. This is the halogen exchange reaction, byproduct AgCl and in that first NaCl. Then next, electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction in presence of iron. This is the toluene. Name of this compound, toluene. This is the bromine. Toluene reacts with bromine in presence of iron. Formation of orthobromotoluene and parabromotoluene. Orthobromotoluene and this is the parabromotoluene. This is the parabromotoluene. Orthobromotoluene and parabromotoluene is formed. These are the explanation for halogen derivatives of alkanes and aromatic rings or arenes. Classification, then reaction means how to form alkyl halides from alkane, alkene and aromatic rings.